It's not your thoughts that create your reality. Yes, you might be thinking, I've heard of law of attraction before. Like, it's the thoughts, feelings, actions. It all connects together. Like, you manifest what you think, and you become what you think about. And that is partly true. But what we don't know is the feeling. What we haven't heard about is the feeling, the law of vibration. Because the primary law is the law of vibration. It's not the law of attraction. But many people tend to focus on the law of attraction. I think better thoughts, say these affirmations, and then your life will change, and then you do it. And some people get success by it because they internalize it, but some of them just don't get any result because they don't feel it. They don't take it in. Example, if you want to manifest more love, they say, then you have to love yourself first, because you cannot manifest what you don't have already. And you already have love, but it's just about allowing yourself feeling this love. Because sometimes we tell ourselves stories why we cannot love ourselves and that we're not worthy and we're not deserving of it. But we are. By just being in this universe, there is no like, you are worthy, you're not worthy. It just is. The universe is natural, and the universe gives you what you think you are. And if you think you are worthy, they will give you all the abundance you're worthy of, you think you're worthy of. And if you don't think you're worthy of anything, then you're not going to get anything. But it's not like they're judging you, it's you judging yourself and telling what is the truth, and then it becomes the truth, what you believe is true. And that is from every area of your life. That is not only in your love life. And your love life is actually, I think, in my opinion, is the biggest area of your life, because it's not only about having a partner, like a romantic partner. It's also just about love itself, because we are made of love. We are authentically love in our heart, and we can love unconditionally. Just like you love your friends or your family or your mom or dad, unconditional. Example, like when you love someone unconditional, no matter what they do, you will still love them. But it's not like that you accept everything they do, but you will still love them for who they just are. And that is unconditional love. And yes, you may have thought you loved someone and then found out that it was just conditional love. Conditional love is when you are loving someone because they're doing something specific or a specific way they're being. But if they're not like that, then you stop loving them. Because if you stop loving someone, it's not love to start with. It's just dependency and depending your happiness on them and giving them the responsibility to make you happy. Okay, now we were just talking about something else, but I think that is really also an important part, to put back this happiness responsibility to yourself. Because sometimes we said like, if I get this person or if I get this job, then I will feel fulfilled. So we take a part of ourselves, take it out there in a person or in a job, and then it's only when we reach it we will feel whole. And that is not true. Because when we get it, it's not perfect, because we're not perfect. We are authentically, but we're not perfect in this 3D world with all these negative feelings and darkness. But when we allow ourselves to already feel the love we have inside and to feel whole no matter what we have or don't have, then there is the freedom. And there is where we attract the things we want in our lives, really effortlessly and fast. So it's so important to firstly love yourself, and that is a journey. I think it's a healing journey, and it's about allowing yourself and practicing that. And this second thing is, when you say the affirmations, you need to believe in them. And sometimes it's just not like this, then you believe in them. It's about You can, example, say affirmation like, I'm starting to love myself, or I'm curious to feel the love already inside of me. Like to make the affirmations a little bit different, but still the same intention behind it. And then you can start to say one day, I love myself. And you can also do so many exercises with the breathing and putting attention that you have focus on your heart, in your heart, because then you will start to feel so much more love. It isn't supposed to be hard to love yourself, because it isn't. It's actually very simple, but sometimes we complicate things that are simple and we think it's so much hard, and that makes it like a long journey sometimes. But by having patience and just feeling your negative emotions as they are, your traumas, and just letting them pass by and don't let them give any attention, that is when you have the power. And that's why you don't manifest primarily with your thoughts. It's what thoughts you give attention and give feeling into, you manifest with, and what you believe in, because it all starts with a belief, then a thought, then a feeling, and then a action. So it's all connecting in that way, and we start with the belief, with the trauma, because the belief was not there to start with. It is only there because we think maybe that we are our past, we are defined by our past or our emotions. But emotions are just energy in motion. So it's just about feeling it and not suppressing it, because it's okay to feel sad, it's okay to feel angry. It's just about feeling it with observing it and not judging it as defining who you are. So if you like this video, then like and peace and subscribe for more, and remember with the bell so you get updated when I post a new video. And I'm going to talk much more about this, and if you have any questions or anything you want me to talk about, then write in the comments down below. And I just send you a lot of unconditional love wherever you are in your journey right now, and I'll see you next time.